Good morning. It's Manny Kagan again, and I would like to continue our subject of how to buy, sell, and finance condominiums. This is lesson number 3. Last week, I mentioned that there are different sources of money for mortgages. There are commercial banks, major banks, there are mid-sized banks, and credit unions, and there are mortgage banks who primarily work with mortgage brokers. There are some exceptions. Some of them, like Rocket, works with general public, called retail versus wholesale, but those are the players. Now, the question is, who can lend on condominiums? And this becomes an issue which has this warrantable, non-warrantable. Recently, I participated in a Zoom call where a lender, there are two representatives from the lender, were sharing their experience on lending on condominiums. We're talking about mortgage bank. Now, mortgage banks sell their loans primarily to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. They do also FHA and VA, but this is different area. And to enable them to sell it, they have to underwrite it according to Fannie and Freddie guidance. There are specific rules, what documents are going in the file, and what is acceptable, what is not. And they pointed out that lately there was an issue with condo approvals, because there's issues like insurance coverage. This is a very big one. And many condominiums try to save money, and therefore they limit how much insurance they're buying. And as a result of this, those condos which used to be approved, now not available. The special list which is not available, and the only way to become available and approved, you have to show that insurance is enough, which is practically impossible. I was mentioning this about a project in Oakland I was working on. So now, but there are other issues which are related to, it's not only not enough coverage, it has to be in certain specific form. It has to have inflation protections. They have other endorsements. In other words, full of all those loopholes, which if your project is not in this category, if you're not approved, then you cannot get a loan. There is another issue. Starting January 1st this year, lenders have to be sure that the inspection is made on condo balconies. Those projects which have balconies have to have special inspections done. So it's not so easy. So this leaves us in a situation where we become the source of money. I will share with you also new limits on conforming loans, which is including condominiums. Mind you that I'm showing you from Bay Area, certain areas like Sonoma has different numbers. It's less than in San Francisco, for example. But whenever you have a question, you always can call me. Thank you.